Hi, Stacey Culver here with Keller Williams Realty Sonora and Living, and I want to say congratulations to you for finishing the 6-hour contract course and passing that exam, and now you're ready to start the 90-hour exam. So one of the things I want to give to you is the worksheet that's attached to this email that will help you with the math portion, so it's a nice math cheat sheet. I also want to show you one of my math tricks that helped me when I was in real estate school real quick, so it kind of goes like this. A lot of math can fit in this triangle. As you go through, you're going to kind of see how that works. So this is how the triangle works. Your big number always goes here because this is your big space. The small number goes up here because this is a smaller space, and the percentage number always goes here because it has a percentage sign. These are division, you're dividing down. That's why I had the arrows, because I actually would divide the wrong way and that answer would be there too, okay? So I'm gonna show this in a way where, I'm not really supposed to say that word, but we're gonna show it in a way when you're selling a home and what happens after that. So let's say we have a home, it's for $500,000, and that agent's gonna get 3% of that, okay, her bananas. So now I know to multiply. When I multiply, I'm going to get this number. Okay? Now, if my problem only told me how, let me erase here. If the problem only told me this, and was 3%, now I know to divide down. If I divide 15,000 down into the 3%, I'm going to get this. And if I divide this down to here, I get 3%. So it does work in some ways. Sometimes you have to do some math beforehand. Sometimes you have to do math afterwards. I'm going to show you how to do it. Some instances where you might have to do the math beforehand, okay? So we're going to say that you have 2 acres of land, and we want to know how many square feet, so this is what we're looking for, are in 10% of that, okay? So we know my 10% is going to go here, but now we have to figure this out because we have acres and we're looking for square footage. So I know, because this will be a flashcard for you guys, this is how many square feet are in 1 acre, okay? And the easy way for you to remember that is there were 4 old men going 60 and a 30, see, 4 old men going 35 and a 60. Kind of said that wrong. 4 old men going 35 and a 60. So this is how many square feet are in 1 acre. We're dealing with 2 acres, so I know to multiply it times 2. Then I'm gonna get that big number, right? And my big number is gonna go in here, and my 10% is gonna go in here, and then I'm gonna get my answer. So I hope that that's very helpful with you for the math portion. Don't think that the math is hard. Use that math cheat sheet. It really is going to explain things to you in a simple way. Good luck, and I look forward to hearing back from you and how you're doing in that 90-hour portion. Bye.